Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to day 4 of the Merry Craftmas series for 2021. I'm co-hosting this event with my crafty BFF, Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick. As a friendly reminder, we will be giving away fun prizes and hidden giveaways. In order to participate, you must be 18 years or older, a U.S. or international resident, and you must also watch and leave a comment to each of the videos featured in the series. And last but not least, you must be a visible subscriber to both channels. That means that we can go to your channel and verify that you are indeed subscribed to our channels. For today's project, I am revisiting one of my favorite projects that I designed from MYSCRAPCHICK, which are these easy and elegant star gift boxes. I used a digital file by MyScrapChick called the Star Box Trio, and included in the file is a large, a small, and a medium box. The paper collection that I used is called Shimmer Noel. This is by Recollections, and I purchased this a few years ago. I really wanted this project to feature wonderful silver and gold metallics. I love the versatility of each of these boxes. As you can see, each of these boxes can be displayed together or individually. I've tried to add colors that all complement one another, so if you are displaying this as a home decor piece, that looks very lovely. These are also wonderful gift boxes. Let's start with the smallest one. This one has a height of 2.5 inches. This is my favorite. I've included this mauve color with the gray and white, and on top I've created this poinsettia using my Sizzix. This is a steel rule die. I've shown you that in several of the videos. I've embellished that with this rhinestone pearl. On the side I have the silver sprays. I've got this snowflake here on the bottom with a large pearl. We have these gold sprays and white roses woven throughout. Here's more of the silver foliage. You've got more of the roses here on the side. And then I've outlined the box with this silver rhinestone trim. So inside, you've got a nice deep box, and it's pretty spacious. Let's take a look at the medium box. I really love the way this turned out. Here we have a light white and gray top contrasted by a darker gray, and you have these silver foil reindeers and white snowflakes. I did line the box on the bottom and the top with this beautiful rhinestone trim. And then on top you have this beautiful star, which is in silver glitter. In the center it has this large crystal, and on the side I have flanked it with these silver and pearl beads, white roses. We have some of the winter greens here, and we have more of the winter greens here, more silver foliage and beads, and the white roses. This is a nice steep size, and I did reinforce this box by adding in an additional liner. This is the tallest box. This measures 8 inches, and I have contrasted the paper with this diamond design as well as the gold and silver holiday ornaments. I've included rhinestone along the sides of the star. The lid is also lined with more rhinestones, just like the other boxes. And on the top, I have created several layers of poinsettias. We have a large poinsettia here, which has this glitter gold, as well as this gray paper in the back, which has gold flecks in it. I embellished the center with a rhinestone pearl. We have a smaller poinsettia here, also with the glittered gold. And I have white roses and berries spread throughout. And we also have the silver foliage and winter greens. In the back, I added in this little silver ornament, which is a drum. Let me give you a look inside. These star boxes are really easy to make, and as you can see, they make a beautiful home decor piece. Now that I've given you an overview of these star trio boxes, I'm going to gather my materials so that we can make these together, and I'll be right back. I have gathered the materials to make our star box trio. I am using a digital file by MYSCRAPCHICK, and you receive a large, medium, and small star. The paper collection that I'm using is an older collection by Recollections. It's called Shimmer Noel. The box that we are going to assemble is the medium box. This is what the smaller star box looks like. Now, I've just added in some rhinestone trim, but I still have to decorate this. In your medium box, you will have a lid that has 5 pieces. And what you want to do is fold this tab up, and these pieces here, you want to have a mountain fold, okay? And these are the tabs that will glue to the star. So you're going to have 5 pieces. You're going to have 2 stars. 1 star is the inner liner, which will go to the top, and then the other star, which is slightly larger, will be glued on the outside of the box. You'll also have some additional embellishment layers. I've cut one out in a silver foil and this decorative print. For the bottom of the star box, you will have 5 pieces that look like this. These are the same pieces as the lid, they're just longer, and you're going to fold this flap up. This piece in the center will be folded up, and then these tabs will be folded down. So you'll have 5 pieces, and again, you'll have a smaller star for the base of the box, and then you'll have a larger star for the outside of the box. We're going to work on the base of the box first, so I'm going to put these items aside. I've assembled the pieces for the base of the box. We're going to grab this piece and this piece, and what you want to do is simply glue this tab to its neighbor, just like so, right up to the score lines, okay? And you're going to do that for each of the 5 pieces. So go ahead and glue each of these 5 pieces together. We have all of the pieces glued together. Let's turn this around, and we're going to close the box. Okay, and this piece is going to go just like so. So we have all of our tabs glued together. Now what we're going to do is turn the box over and make sure the tabs are folded in. And we want to make sure that the part with the perforation line is sticking out, and the part that has the tabs glued together will be on the inside. So you can shape your star just like so. Okay, this is the way the star will be shaped. All right, what you want to do is grab your inner liner, and this is going to be glued right inside. But before that, let's add some glue to these tabs here. You want to make sure that you get glue out to the edges of these tabs, because those will be the points of the star. Okay, once you have glue on all of the tabs, you want to take your star and you're going to just place it inside. You can squeeze these 2 pieces at the top here. Okay, so you can glue one side down and it'll just fit into place. And you can work your way around the points of the star. Okay, then you want to take your bone folder. You want to take the sharp edge and make sure that all the tabs are attached. Then we're going to turn this over. If there are any tabs that are not glued down, you can simply add in more glue to the bottom. Okay, now we're going to take our larger star and then we're going to glue that right on top in place. Now that we have our liner glued on top, we can turn this over. And one thing I want to tell you is how to make this a bit more sturdy. I'm currently using 65-pound card weight, and I want to make this more sturdy so that I can include heavier items in it. I have cut out additional panels. These are the same side panels for the star, and I've cut off the tabs on the bottom and on the side. Now you may need to trim the sides down slightly and just a smidge off the bottom, and I'm just going to glue it on the inside of the box just like so. Okay, and I can do that for each point of the star, and that will make the base much more sturdy. Now that we have the base assembled, let's set this aside and work on the lid. These are the panels for the lid, and they're going to be glued exactly the same way we did the base. And we're going to do that for the entire lid. And we're going to glue the liner and the base in just like we did for this star. So I'm not going to repeat that process. You can go ahead and do that, and then we'll be back with the finished box. So our top is now assembled. We can put it on our box, and there is our completed box. So I'm going to decorate these and also make one more star, which is slightly larger, and then I'll be back with the final reveal. These are my completed boxes. I love the way they turned out. I had so much fun decorating them. This is the smaller box. This is the larger box, and I have created layer poinsettias in the gold glitter and silver. And then we have our medium box, which is done all in silver and cream. These would make a lovely addition to any holiday home decor. I can see these displayed on a coffee table or on a fireplace mantle. This concludes my review of my star gift boxes. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for joining me, and please be sure to pop in tomorrow for another fun project. Also, don't forget to visit Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick. Thanks again. I look forward to seeing you soon, and Merry Craftmas.